Just sipping my tea. Hey guys, what's up builders? TopTradingReviews.com. Today is the 23rd of April 2019. Let's get started. So the AutoTradingHub, guys, how you guys doing? Leave a comment down below as always. So the first thing I'm going to show you as always is the broker investors.com. I have one trade open currently which I placed maybe 20 minutes ago. I'll explain all that in a second. I just want to have a look at trade history. So my trade history the past 5 days, as you can see, all of these trades were placed 18th of April, so 5 days running from this episode that is filmed. And as you can see, I have two trades that was like, you know, not very good. As you can see, 216 euros minus and nearly 200 euros, so 400 euros minus. However, I had this NZD USD trade which was amazing, 739 euros in profit. Then Euro GBP, this trade I closed manually myself because it wasn't doing very well. It was in one point like 200 euros in profit, but then I saw this 27 euros in profit. I thought maybe it's not gonna reach my take profit at all, so I just closed it manually myself. GBP USD trade 654 euros in profit, which is amazing. And then I have AUD JPY 593 euros in take profit as well. All of these trades closed, I think, today. Yeah, 23rd, so everything's been reached on today. So the market's probably pushed today because obviously there was Easter holidays, Easter Monday, and because we're making this video now and it's actually Tuesday, you know, bank holidays are over, everything is back on track, and hence why the market's probably pushed harder a little bit than usual, and we saw some take profits. So I'll explain this trade. Open trades, Euro USD, sorry. I placed a buy trade. If we go to AutoTradingHub, Euro USD trade, there was a buy signal, but if we just have a look at it, this is a very strange one, because as I said before, Euro USD is a very difficult currency to trade. You know, it has so many, it's been manipulated, so many people trade it, you know, it's getting manipulated so many times. So we need to have a look and analyze it a little bit. If we analyze in here, obviously it's on a resistance line over here, rectangle, and I saw this resistance line and I thought maybe, you know, because it could be on this small channel over here. If we just mark it a little bit like that, and then if we do it something in regards to that, as you can see, there's this big channel over here, and there's obviously this small channel. Obviously it's bounced out from this channel, hence why nothing's guaranteed, but we see this channel as well. So this zone over here, it could be that bouncing back from this channel and this support zone that I marked in here, and maybe it's gonna push into the buy direction, and maybe have a take profit over here in this line, and we can profit some money. Obviously we had a Euro USD signal as a buy signal, so let's just have a look at other signals as well. GBP USD, maybe let's place a nice trade on GBP USD. At the moment it's offering us a sell signal, and it is a sell signal because it broke out from this zone. Let me just remark this. Actually broke out from this zone. As you can see, it's bounced back here, bounced back here, bounced back, and now it's breaking out from this zone, hence why there's a sell order. So this could be a nice trade, but we just need to look where it's probably gonna bounce back in the upwards direction, because obviously once a break happens, there's always a little pullback before it goes down again, and vice versa in the buying direction. So if we just have a look where this signal is at the moment, yeah, it's probably gonna bounce very quickly. It's probably gonna break, bounce back till this level, and gonna break again. So it's not the best time to maybe trade it. GBP USD in long term is probably gonna be a sell order, so we can place a small one, but we need to make sure our take profit and SL levels are a little bit higher than it's recommended over here. So let's do that. 0.50, click trade, investorsbroker.com. Obviously if you want to trade with this software as well, all the links are down in the description below. 250 minimum deposit. I recommend more for leverage. If you have any questions, queries, you know, how to trade, what signals you should take, you can obviously email me, message me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You know, I'm always there, I'm always helping people, I'm trying to help everyone. Sometimes it gets overwhelming because I get so much messages. However, I do try to reply to everyone and help everyone make money. So investors, the server can take some time, so please wait a little bit. So there we go, GBP USD. As always, we're gonna change the values a little bit. GBP USD is not the perfect, trade to make today, especially. So we're just gonna do, a nice. Actually, let's do 60 SL, and let's keep the 74 pip take profit for the GBP USD and click trade. Open position. GBP USD is now open, and it's gonna be in the red, obviously, as always, because of the spread difference in the broker. But eventually it starts moving in our direction. We're gonna see some green profits, as always, more than likely, hopefully, because this is trading and nothing's ever guaranteed, but hopefully it will be. If you have any questions, guys, you're more than welcome to email me, ask me, regarding AutoTradingHub. By the way, new video tomorrow on the Easy Trade app. A lot of people have been missing videos on this software, so how am I doing? I'm gonna create, as I said, I withdraw all my money because of the AutoTradingHub, but I'm gonna create a new account on the Easy Trade app, and we're gonna start a new journey again on the Easy Trade app and see how we do. And if you guys want to do that as well, start with me and maybe place the same trades, you're more than welcome to. Links are down in the description below, as always. And let's have a look at what else have we got. GBP JPY. So let's have a look. Do I not have a trade open for GBP JPY? Oh no, I don't. GBP JPY at the moment we can see some support. Okay, so it's as you can see, GBP JPY is telling us to buy. I like this signal very much. As you can see, it's on a support over here. You can just drag this out. As you can see, it's bounced back here, bounced back too many times, and it's nearly on the support. Well, it's actually touching it, and we can place this. It seems like a nice trade to do that, so we're gonna do that. And let's do one lot size actually, and click trade. Obviously we don't want to use the switch on auto trading function, because what's the point? We can do it, but I like to swap the stop loss and take profit a little bit. And yeah, investors, so click trade. So once we're here, GBP JPY, we're just gonna open a buy signal. So 43 SL is quite good. You can leave that, but I'm gonna do 50 as always, and take profit 72. We're just gonna leave that as well. GBP JPY, click trade. GBP JPY position buy is now open. Obviously, as you can see, GBP JPY and GBP USD, I have one of them is a sell and one of them is a buy, which could contradict. However, GBP and USD is two different. These two currency pairs, GBP JPY and GBP USD, they don't correlate with each other too badly, so hopefully we could see some kind of profits in that level and that level as well. Usually what I suggest is to not trade same currencies, especially if you're new. Let's say US dollar, if you're doing a sell, so you want to do sell in, let's say USD JPY for example. If we want to buy it, we want to buy it. USD Swiss franc, if you already have a buy signal, you should get a buy signal as well if you want to place another trade. You don't want to have a US dollar selling there and then buying there, unless you know what you're doing and you've been analyzing and you've been doing it like me. Then you should be okay. However, sometimes correlating currency pairs is gonna kill the market for you. If you want to know more about correlating currency pairs, I can make a video about it, explaining it properly, and you'll know which currency pairs to actually trade, which currency pairs to actually not. Because some of them are like 80%, very similar, and some of them are like 43% similar. So it doesn't really matter sometimes if you want to place, let's say, a buy signal and a sell signal on the same currency pair. But sometimes it does, and you need to know which ones to use and which ones to not. So let's have a look at our trades at the moment. So we have GBP, obviously one of them is 72 euros minus, so that one's not doing very well. 16 euros minus, that one's not doing well. 30 euros GBP USD is doing okay, but it's only 50 lot size, so it's not the best. So the two trades I placed are not doing very well at the moment. However, markets change and directions change, and hopefully our analysis approves and we're gonna be profiting properly with the AutoTrading app. As you can see, why you need to use this AutoTrading app, I've been analyzing, so some people are asking, why do you use it if you analyze all your trades? And a very good question. I like to use it because it's like two hands, let's say one hand is my analysis hand. I do all my analysis with one hand, Euro USD, do support and resistance, trend lines, but I don't know I need more insight of where the market is actually gonna go, and this is where the AutoTradingHub comes in. As you can see, let's say USD Swiss franc. If I want to trade USD Swiss franc and it's telling me to buy, I go analyze the market, and if I think it's a sell, I don't place a trade. However, if I do agree with what it's saying, AutoTradingHub is saying a buy, and I analyze and it's actually a buy, I will place a trade because I have two opinions. One that is a AI robot that is designed to, make money, and the other, is my Forex knowledge as well. And I combine them two to make money, and that's what I'm showing you guys. It's not that difficult. It's honest, I'm trying to make it as beginner friendly as possible. If you just jump in the Forex market without knowing anything, you might go crazy because there's a lot of charting patterns, and I'm gonna do them in the future. If you want proper education, proper advanced education on the Forex, I can do it. And you can see that sometimes you need to learn a little bit before you start trading. However, if you want to make money on the AutoTradingHub, the only thing you need is support and resistance and trend lines. I've been teaching you guys with all my videos, so check out all my videos. And yeah, I'm probably not gonna place any more trades. I have 3 trades open as I suggest. I don't like over trading, and my last videos I definitely over traded. Even though they were successful, imagine if they weren't successful, I would have lost all of my money. So it's best to always money manage as well. So if you're starting out, and you're new with 250 deposit, you maybe want to just place one trade with a bigger lot size. If you want to have a bigger lot size, by the way, guys, you need to do the questionnaire with the broker, depending on which broker you have, whether it will be 24 option or investors. Sorry about this, my computer is kind of slow today, I don't know why. Whether it will be 24 option or investors, or any other broker that is associated with it. I think X-Trade, I don't remember all the brokers, apologize. You can do a questionnaire in there, and basically they're gonna ask you how much the Forex, what are the knowledge, and just aim to answer all the questions like everything, everything, and then you're gonna get higher leverage, and then you will be able to trade with bigger lot sizes. Obviously the risk is there as well, but you don't want to be stuck with a 0.01 lot size or 0.02 lot size, because it never feels like you're ever making money. So if you have like a 0.10 lot size at least with 250 account or 500 account, that's what how much I started with, you're gonna be doing well. And eventually, if you have any questions or queries which currency pairs you should trade, maybe ask me as well. If you help me, I'll help you guys out as well. I'm not scared to share my knowledge with you guys. I got nothing to hide. So this Windows keeps popping up, so I guess I'm ending my video now. If you guys would like to join the AutoTradingHub or the Easy Trade app, links will be down in the description below. 250 minimum deposit as always. Make sure to look at the economic calendar. I didn't today, to be fair, so I placed all these trades without economic news. That's really bad for me, naughty Evaldas, to be fair. This can cause a lot of losses in your account, so I really recommend you guys to trade with economic calendar. Have a look in the fundamental news, what's going on in the world. You need to know all this to make money. It's not hard to make money, but you just need to put in the extra effort to do so. And if you do it, you will be making money, I promise you guys on that. And this was Eldas from Top Trading Reviews, guys. Make sure to smash that like button, comment down below if you don't understand something, or if you need any help, you can contact me, Instagram me, Facebook me, email me, Twitter me. All my social medias are down in the description below as well. And take care, guys, have a nice day, and goodbye.